Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ashmita. If you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm here again with another huge haul. I have some jeans with me, I have some kurtis, I have some accessories. I also got some innerwear after a long time. So grab a cup of coffee or tea, get your snacks, and if you're interested, please do continue watching. So I got 3 cotton kurtis from Meesho because it's like so freaking hot and I just want to throw on something and feel free. I'll just move a little bit to the side when I'm showing the clothes so I can attach a video of me wearing and showing. So this is the first short kurti that I got. It covers till your front and back pocket. It looks black but it is like super dark blue, and this is how the neck looks like. It has like a U and then a small V. It's not a pure cotton material, it's more of cotton plus rayon, which makes it super soft and comfy and flowy. This one was for 192 or 216, I'm not sure. Second, I got this short kurti. Again, this covers your front and back pocket, and this one also has like 3/4 sleeves. This one also has like the same kind of neck, round and a little V neck. It's almost the same, and this is 100% cotton. This one is also super comfy, and I really like this one. It does not fit me perfectly, but it's not too damn loose. If I want to, I can get it altered or I can just wear it like that. It's not necessary to get it altered. So the third kurti that I got is this beautiful pink chikankari kurta. This is a long kurta. It covers till your calf. It's like a beautiful baby pink. I love the design and the work that's going on here with white embroidery chikankari work done. It is quite big for me. I have to get this altered. This was the smallest size that I could find. Can't really trust Meesho's sizing and all, so at this point I don't mind altering, and I got this for like what, 300 or something. So it's okay. I anyway get everything altered, so it's not even like a big deal for me. It is super transparent. You definitely have to wear something inside. This would look so good with blue jean shoes and some oxidized jhumkas and bangles. Oh my god, I can't wait to like wear this and go out. But yeah, love this kurti. Again, 3/4 sleeves. Can you see how big this is for me? This is 100% cotton. Next, I got a pack of 3 shorts, like the ones you wear at home. Comes in light grey, dark grey, and then black, which I'm actually wearing. It's just on top I'm wearing this top, but underneath I'm wearing the shorts. This is how the shorts look like. This is the dark grey one, this is the light grey one, and like I mentioned, I'm wearing the black one. You get drawstrings right here if it is loose for you, but I'm pretty sure this will be tight because without even tying the strings, it is proper for me. I got it in the size S or XS, I'm not sure. It's not too long, not too short. It's correct, if you're just wearing it at home, it's proper. If you like this sizing, you can also go ahead and buy this one. Really love this. It's super comfortable. I'm not sure of the fabric of this though. I got 3 for 299, which means one is around 100. One is approximately around 100, which is pretty great. I do have few more clothing items with me, but I'm thinking now that I've shown what I got from Meesho, I thought I'll finish everything that I got from Meesho. Next, I have these 2 hand kadas or whatever it is called, and I was so excited and looking forward to these. It's this one right here. It's trending all over Instagram, and this is how it looks like. So you basically just wear it and twist it around. It's like the spring kind of thingy, so even if you're skinny like me or your hands are thick, it wouldn't be a problem because you can just adjust it according to the size of your hand. And this is how it looks like. I'm so excited for this. I love this. I saw this all over the internet and I was like, I need this right now. I got pack of 2. I got one in gold and one in silver. I got both for just 218 or something, which is such a steal. This is how the silver one looks like. It's so pretty. I'm so into silver jewelries right now. It's looking so damn beautiful. The beauty about these ones are that it will look great with Indian and Western outfits. So you have endless, styling opportunities with this. You're not limited to just wearing it with Indian or Western. Absolutely in love with this, and I can't wait to wear these or style these with my clothes. The next product I'm going to show you is also something I've been so excited for. It is pack of 12 shades of bangles. Each has 10 bangles in it, and it is glass bangles. I've kind of always been obsessed with bangles, but weirdly enough I never wore them much because I thought that my hands are super skinny and bangles do not look good. But I wanted to go ahead and buy because I create a lot of videos, and when I wear Indian outfit or something, I do not have bangles accordingly and my hands are just bare. So I thought, let me just buy some bangles. And while I was looking for bangles, I saw some plastic bangles, but I've always loved glass bangles and the sounds of the glass bangles. So I was just like searching for glass bangles, and I found this pack of 12 glass bangles. So they have pink, green, yellow, red, brown, gold, black, green. Then we have red, blue, dark blue, orange, white, and this is how they look like. Isn't it so beautiful? I'm just so in love. But the problem with these is that these glasses are like very low and cheap quality, so you have to be very careful. Like if you just give little bit of pressure, it will break. Yesterday I broke 2 bangles, so you have to be very careful. If you're someone who's very clumsy and messy like me, I would suggest you just go for plastic bangles. I'm gonna make sure to be very careful with these when I use them or use for videos. You see, even here it's actually cracked. I wouldn't actually recommend these bangles to anyone to buy because these are like very cheap quality. I just bought it already, so I thought I'll just show it to you guys. I have to be very careful. Already 2-3 are broken, which is a bummer. The thing I bought it from Meesho is because I wasn't able to find it anywhere else. Even in Chennai, I went to a few places, I wasn't able to find good glass bangles. The last thing that I got from Meesho is this bangle pouch. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments to store your bangles. Now that I got all these bangles and this one, and I also have some bangles in my wardrobe, I don't have anything to store my bangles. I've just tied all my bangles with a lace, or I've just put it in one plastic cover, and I don't want to do that. I want to organize and keep it. So I got this bangle pouch. This one was for 200 and something. Everything is pretty cheap, guys. So yeah, that's all that I got from Meesho. I'm just gonna clear this space. So next I have this bag from Van Heusen Innerwear. I went yesterday to Van Heusen to get some bras and panties for myself. I got 2 bras from Van Heusen like 6 or 7 months back, and weirdly enough I lost both my bras that I got from Van Heusen. So the first one is when I went to Kerala, I went surfing, and after that we changed into our clothes and we kept all our clothes in one bag, the wet clothes, and we lost that. I was wearing the Van Heusen bra at that time and I lost that. And weirdly enough, the second Van Heusen bra that I had also, I lost it when I recently went for surfing in Chennai. We again changed our clothes and put the wet clothes in one bag, and we lost that bag, and I was wearing Van Heusen bra. I got one black and one light pink, and those 2 bras were my favorite because after years of searching for a good bra that fits perfectly from everywhere, finally got the size 30B. So I knew I had to buy again. I usually don't lose things. I'm not very careless with my things, but I don't know how weirdly I lost both of them. So I got 3 more bras, and I also needed to buy panties for myself because apparently you have to change your panties every 6 to 8 months, and I've been wearing my panties for more than a year, and I knew it's high time I changed them. I got the same colors again. I got one black, I got one pink because I loved how black and pink looked on me, and I also got one in blue color. So this is the black one that I got. This is the pink one. It is a very beautiful baby pink in color. They have 2 more colors. They have one like a dark pink, and then they have red, but I just went ahead and bought these. So this is the blue one. It looks so pretty. I never thought I'd like the blue one, but yeah, it looks so pretty, and I hope I don't lose these ones. So the bra costs $8.79 for 1 piece. It is slightly expensive, not very expensive, but I'm more than happy to pay the price because it fits me perfectly. All these years I was wearing innerwears that didn't fit me perfectly. Then I bought this pack of 3 cotton panties for $5.79. It's just a normal regular panty. I don't see why I need to open and show. Plus it's also a little boring. Yes, I wear slightly boring panties. That's because apparently you're supposed to wear only cotton down there. That is only good for your health. Only when I'm wearing any outfit where my panty is not supposed to be shown, then I have seamless panties, and that's not cotton. That's like once in a while, but on a daily basis you're supposed to wear cotton only. So I got these ones. I bought all of this for 3,200. 3 bras and 3 panties, which is pretty decent I feel because the quality is also really great. Next I have 4 denims with me. One is flare pants and 3 cargos. So this is the flare pants that I got. This is from the brand called Bluer. So I've been looking for a dark blue flare pants for such a long time, and I found a few on Myntra, but they were so expensive. It was literally costing me 3,000 to 4,000. So I just wanted to wait it out a little bit, and then one day I was just scrolling through Instagram and I saw an ad from this brand, and I immediately checked it out. It was for 1,590, but I just wanted to, I don't know, I was just waiting for a little while. Usually when I want to buy something really badly, what I do is instead of impulsively buying, I put it in my cart and I leave it for some time, like a day or two, and then If I still want to buy that, then I go ahead and buy. Otherwise I don't buy, because then you just end up buying a lot of things impulsively. So I waited for a few days and then I still wanted to buy, and when I went and checked again, it was for 1190. So I got this one for 1190, which was originally for 1590. So I saved literally 400 rupees, and it looks so freaking stunning. The material is so damn good. It has like really good pockets where you can fit your entire phone. The color, the fit, everything is just stunning. I got it in the size 24. Then I got 3 cargos from Freakins. It was actually sent to me. I have one in dark blue, and then I have one in cream, and I have one in black. All 3 are almost the same kind of cargos. This is how the first one looks like. It has side pockets like this. It has 2 back pockets. It has 2 pockets here and 2 pockets at the bottom. So there is literally no shortage for space, and it's super comfortable. These are actually supposed to be high waist, but I sized it up and I got in 26. I usually wear 24 because I wanted to wear it like a low waist. Then I have this cream cargo. This one also has 2 side pockets, 2 back pockets, and 2 pockets here. This one does not have pockets at the bottom. This one is not as thick as these denims. It's more like a trouser. It's not like a jean. And lastly, I have this black cargo. Again, this one also has side pockets and not like front pockets. Then back pockets and 2 pockets here. This one also again does not have pockets at the bottom. This one just has this small thingy here. I don't know what that is for, but it's just there. So they do not have 24 in these. They have size starting from 26 only, but I was willing to get them because I wanted it as low waist only, because you know low waist is really trending right now, and I'm also starting to like low waist again. If you're skinny like me but you don't want to wear it as low waist, you'd probably just have to buy an halter. There's no other way. But yeah, for me these are okay. I really love them. The quality, the fit, the material is so good. It's so thick, and it just, you know, tells that the quality of these jeans are so freaking good. So yeah, I think with that this video comes to an end. I've shown everything that I recently got or bought. I hope I didn't bore you guys if you watched it till here. Thank you so much. I will compile all the links into 1 or 2 links, and I will mention it down below in the description box in case you guys want to buy anything from here. If you like this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Ashmita.